gonna play disc golf, Jack? Oh, Jack. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. No one steps right there anyway. Oh, look at you. Did you really think you were gonna get that bird, Stella? Huh? Did you really think you were gonna get that bird? Come on, guys. Come on. You want to go through this? Look at you. What did you roll in? Mandy. I'm glad I'm stuffed up. That can't possibly smell good. Come on, dirty dog. Stella! No! Stella! Hey! Guys eating. Out. No. No eating and no rolling, Mandy. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I'm stuck up. I can smell that. What the hell did you roll in, girl? Come on. What you doing, Jack, huh? You're a good boy. You don't roll in stuff. You don't roll in stuff. And you don't eat any kind of crap. Unlike this one. What you doing, Peach? Huh? What you doing? That's not a lake, Stella. That's a mud puddle. There's a lot of them around here today. What are you gonna do there? Big hole. Peaches. Peaches, that's not how it works. Peach. Peach. What are you doing, Stella? What are you guys doing? Come on. Come on, Smelly. Let's go. This way. Hey, Peach, come on. Good girl. Good girl. Stella, I don't know what you're sniffing, but it's probably not good. Mandy, no more rolling. Bad enough I have to clean all that crap up. Mandy, Mandy, no rolling. I see you getting all excited about whatever smells over there. Okay. You want to grab the stick? You can grab the stick. You can bring the stick with you. What did the stick ever do to you? You're all pissed at the stick. Mandy girl. Mandy, Mandy. Hey. Mandy. You just want to tear the crap out of that stick, don't you? Look at you. What did you roll in? It kind of smells skunky. Ugh. Like I said, I'm stuffed up. So, probably smells even 10 times worse than I'm smelling right now. Peaches. Hey. Those two are doing. Peach. Peaches. What are we eating here? Well, I don't see any poop. I think you probably ate it. Come on, guys. Come on. Yeah, you're a good boy, Jack. You're a good boy. You're just chilling, waiting for us to come, huh? These guys are rolling in shit, eating shit, hunting for shit. And who has to clean the shit up? Me. Peachy. Peaches. Why do you torture Jack? Well, why do you do that? Why are you doing that? You don't even care anymore, do you, Jack? Okay. Look at how pretty that is, even with the clouds.